Good morning, girls. They're enjoying looking at themselves this morning. Zaylee, are you being violent? Hi. Good morning. That's all you can move it. That's all you can move it, Ellie. Don't break the mirror. Ellie, be gentle. You look like you're thinking about something, Azalea. Oh, you're gonna get yourself into trouble or something. Are you looking at your sister's apple? I'll get you one. Are you cute, Ellie? Where's your nose? Where's your chin? Where's your ear? Good job. Where's your eye? Yeah, the other one. Where's your eye? Where's your eyebrow? Your eyebrow. Oh, good job. Where's your tongue? Your tongue. Oh, good job. Where are your lips? Good job. Where's your neck? Good job. Where's your shoulders? Good job. Where's your elbow? Where's your elbow? Good job. Where's your armpit? Good job. Mama's turn. Mama's turn. Mama's head. Mama's